In this video, I'll show you how to brighten dark videos using CapCut. Let's use this video as an example. Start by adding your dark video to the timeline. Go to the Adjustment tab and scroll down to the Lightness settings. Adjust the exposure to increase overall brightness, but avoid overdoing it to prevent losing details. Use the contrast slider to enhance the difference between light and dark areas, making the video pop. Fine-tune the highlights to brighten the brightest parts without affecting shadows. Adjust the shadow slider to brighten or darken the darker areas while preserving highlights. Control the whites to adjust pure white intensity and tweak blacks to balance the deepest tones. Enhance brilliance for vibrant colors and improve light distribution. Use clarity to sharpen details for a polished look. Preview your video to check the adjustments. That's it. Thanks for watching.